Good morning everybody. Today we're going to try to make a handstand. What do you need for making a handstand? Your hands and a volunteer. Good morning, Finn.
Good morning.
Do you want to help me with making a handstand?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you very much. We have 3 levels. Level number 1, jump like a hare. Please, would you like to do exercise number 1, jumping like a hare? Very, very good, Finn. Okay, we go further on with level number 2, Finn?
Yes.
We're going to try to make a wheelbarrow. Okay, I will help you.
Okay.
Keywords: straight arms and plank your body. Okay, well done, Fane. And the last level, level number 3, we're gonna make a handstand against the wall. And the keywords: hands at shoulder width, turn your body into a plank, arms straight, and look at your hands. Okay, we're going to the wall. Okay, for 5 seconds. Can you count, Finn?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Excellent. Okay, Finn, thank you very much for helping me with this video, and good luck with making a handstand. Bye bye.
Bye.